Hello students, in the last session we have ended with one problem, that is r of minus t plus 3, and we did two methods. First, drawing r of t, next r of minus t reversal, next we did shifting. And we can also do this r of t plus 3, first shifting, next we can do reversal. So in the second method, whatever the figure we have drawn, that is r of t with slope 1, and this is r of t plus 3 with slope 1, and next this is r of minus t plus 3 I have drawn in the last session. But this is wrong because we have reversed time. Plus t is becoming minus t. Okay. So here plus t means the slope is increasing in a positive format, increasing slope. If I consider it as minus 3, then the slope will increase with like this, in this direction. Because here slope is not changing, but what is changing? The axis, time axis is changing from positive t to negative t. Slope is 1 only. Here also slope is 1. It is also increasing slope. Here also increasing slope. Here positive slope. Here also positive slope. There is no changes in the slope. Only the changes in time axis. So r of minus t plus 3 can be drawn as this is t is equal to 3 and this is slope 1, and the diagram is for r of minus t plus 3. Similarly, we have to do the problems by considering discrete time signals. So first sketch u of n plus 2 into u of minus n plus 3. Next u of n plus 4 minus u of n minus 2. These are the two problems we are going to see now. So first u of n plus 2, first you have to draw u of n. U of n means like this. It is having slope 1 u of n, and what is u of n plus 2? N plus 2, make it n plus 2 equal to 0. Then what is n value? I will get n value as minus 2. Then these are the samples, but the starting value is n is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So n is equal to minus 2. From minus 2 onwards, or I can say that wherever n value is there, here n is equal to 0. 0 can be added to minus 2. So here minus 2. 1 minus 2, minus 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 2, 4. Like that. Next, u of minus n plus 3. So how to draw u of minus n plus 3? So we know that this is u of n only, that is positive, and here it is u of minus n, means we have to consider the folded version of u of n, that is plus n becoming minus n. So folded version of u of minus u of n is nothing but like this. The samples are same, but the values are starting from 0, -1, -2, -3. This is u of minus n. And what is u of minus n plus 3? So minus n plus 3 equal to 0 means n is equal to 3. So here the samples are starting from n is equal to 3 and they are moving towards left side. So here like this. These are the samples. Okay. So in the u of n, we are not having any samples left side. Only we are having infinity samples on right side. Next, u of n plus 2 means same signal shifted left side. So left side we are not having any samples. The samples are starting from -2 and right side up to infinity. In the same way, u of minus n, right side we are not having any samples, but left side up to infinity. So u of minus n plus 3. The samples are starting from 3, 2, 1, 0, -1. Like this we are having infinity samples. On right side, no samples. Now multiply u of n plus 2 into u of minus n plus 3. This is u of n plus 2 and this is u of minus n plus 3. These two samples should be multiplied. If the samples are multiplied means n is equal to 3 and is equal to 3. The corresponding n values we have to consider and multiply. And the magnitude are always 1 and 1 into 1 we will get always 1 magnitude. Then the diagram will be like this. It is starting from n is equal to 3 with magnitude 1, 2, 1, 0. Next up to -1 I am having. Here what is -2 sample? 3, 2, 0, -1, -2. -2 sample is here amplitude 1. Here -2 sample is 0. So 1 multiplied with 0 will get 0. So here no samples and right side no samples. Only 4 samples I will get. Okay. Here u of minus n, -1, -2, -3, -4 like this. U of n plus 2 is multiplied with u of minus n plus 3. Minus n plus 3. Okay. So here I am having the samples up to infinity, right? So here I am having -2, -3 up to infinity samples I am having towards left. So up to -2 I will get. After that -3 sample 0 magnitude. Here -3 I am having. 0 magnitude is multiplied with 1 means 0. So from -2 to 3 I will get. Total 5 samples I will get. Next, similarly do u of n plus 4 and minus u of n minus 2. So what is u of n plus 4? I am directly writing u of n plus 4. U of n plus 4 means the samples are starting from -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 like this. And what is u of n minus 2? U of n minus 2. The samples are starting from n is equal to 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. We are having samples on right side up to infinity, but no samples left side. This is after -4 no samples, after 2 no samples. And minus of u of n minus 2. So just minus is for amplitude, not for this n axis. This is a n axis. Okay, then minus is multiplied, minus 1 is multiplied. Here the amplitude is 1. Now it is minus. So simply 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am having the samples up to infinity with the magnitude minus 1. Now add these two, because it is minus of u of n minus 2 and this is u of n plus 4. Right? Now add these two figures. Adding means there is only change in amplitudes. Okay, and you have to add the amplitudes by considering the corresponding n values. Here I am starting, the starting value of n is 2. So you have to consider the starting value of n is 2. Okay. So tell me, what are the samples you are getting? See, for minus 4 it is 1, and here I am not having any samples minus 4. So minus 4 to minus, okay, see, draw this. For minus 4 I am having the magnitude 1. Here no magnitude, means 0. So 1 is present. Next for minus 3 I am having minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. If I consider 2, second position, for the n is equal to 2, I am having plus 1. Here n is equal to 2, I am having minus 1 magnitude. Plus 1, minus 1, both are added. So the answer is 0. For n is equal to 3, infinity samples I am having. For n is equal to 3 also 1. Here minus 1. So here also infinity samples we are having. Here also infinity samples we are having. So if we are going to add, the amplitudes are going to cancel because the magnitudes are same but opposite in sign. So I will get the sample values from minus 4 to 1 only. Okay. So like this we can do the problems on discrete unit step signals. Thank you.